Radio signals. You already understand about the magnetic charges of the planets, but there is more to it. The analogy of radio signals will do. As we get closer to the change, that's 21st of December 2012, the reception that you and many other people have will become clearer. Your telepathic powers will increase to a point where speech will become redundant. For you, this will happen in your lifetime. This is not due to a change in your DNA, that is hype. The change is happening exactly because of what you so eloquently describe. You are removing all the white noise so that your reception will become clearer. You have mastered your thinking process to the level where what you say becomes. Your dreams are materializing because you no longer have any obstacles left. You have grown to the point where you are becoming aware of obstacles before they are fully formed, and you dissolve them quicker than ever before. The process that you have documented is nearly perfect. We will provide you with more information on how you can access the quantum vibration at will. Of course, this will allow you to materialize your thoughts at will. However, we will for the moment retain control of what you materialize. We do trust your intentions and abilities. We want to use you to achieve our objectives sooner. Once we have the basis in place, we will give you full control of those powers. You are overcoming the last resistance to the flow and the process. We are also removing the last hindrances and the last control over time. Your timelines will speed up and you will see changes happening faster. We are also removing some pedantic elements of your life so that the energy flow will become purer and faster. You will soon experience an increase in your healing powers. You will also have flashes of insight. We want you to record and communicate these insights. There is an entire audience ready and waiting. Do not hesitate and wonder about those who are not in the audience yet. Forge ahead. We will guide you. Blessed be here.